All right, guys. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to create sliders using a slider revolution. Now, what this helps to do is help you to beautify your site. It helps to, in fact, let's just dive into it and see how powerful and how useful it is. Now, in the last video, I showed us how to customize your header, and at this point, we want to create a slider to have a beautiful landing page. Let me quickly show us something. Let me quickly show us an example of sliders. How beautiful and how powerful it is to use this in a particular website. Let's say Solution Ministry from Alright, this is an example of a slider. You see this image moving. You see this is an example of a slider. This is a slider. This is an example of a slider. It's very beautiful for a website. It beautifies your website and makes your website look mature and look great. So instead of it to be static, it will move. Look at it. Very awesome, very creative, and what have you. So this is what we are going to achieve at the end of this video. Now let's also take a look at this one. So this is also another example of a slider. Remember that we are looking towards this website. This is another example of a slider, but probably in this website they use a video as a slider. So that is what we are going to be creating right away. How to do stuff like this. So let's dive into our own site we are creating. Let's see what we can do about that. All right, welcome back. Now this is the website we are creating. Now what you need to do is, once you log in, you click on the dashboard. From the dashboard, we need to install that slider. It's a plugin. We need to install it. But remember that when I was doing in the last video, I showed us how to install the plugin. But let's take a look at it. Go to plugin. For you to do that, you go to plugin, add new plugin, then upload plugin, choose file. This is where we have it, slider. Understand? Slider, click on add. Now I'm not going to install it because we have already installed it. If I install it now, it will tell me that it's already existing. So once you install it, after installation, you scroll down to the bottom, you see what we call what slider. It will show up here, slider revolution. In that mind, you now come here, click slider revolution. Now once you click, it will take you back, it will take you to this page, to this interface. What you just need to do is what? Click on new slider. Now clicking on the new slider now take you to this page. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you have to enter the name of the slider. What is like? Let's say Creative Minds slide. So make sure it corresponds. You copy it, you paste it here. It will automatically generate a code for you to paste paste it in a particular area on that particular page. Don't worry, I'll show us. So what you just need to do is just hover it and click copy. Then probably you save it on this, you save it elsewhere because we are going to need it. We are going to need it here. You paste it there. We are going to need it later on. So after that, you scroll down, leave it on this standard slider, then scroll down, leave it on this auto, or probably can click on full width. Then after which you scroll down. Now we want to customize the size. The normal customized size is 1200 by 400 or 500, depending on how you want it to be long, how long it is. Now look at this slider. This slider from here to here, you see that it's short compared to this one, compared to this Wise Marketing. Look at it. This slider is very big. Look at it from the beginning down to the end. So you see it's covered. So it depends on how long you want it to be. So you go back there, the slider, So in the standard one, use 1200 by 500. Let's use mix of 500. You click on it, you click on this one, activate this one, 500. Now this is what is showing you that this is how it's going to look when you use a desktop. When you use a desktop mode to view it, this is how it's going to look like. When you use a laptop to view it, this is how it's going to look like. Then when you use a tablet, in the tablet form, this is how it's going to show. And we click on mobile, when you use mobile, this is how it's going to show. So we need to configure all of them to make sure that all of them when you view it on any of the devices, it will look very great. So this one 400. So that's that. So next thing you're going to do, you scroll up again and click on save. Then after save, it should take you here, and this is the area we need to bring in our images and all that. Now for us to do that, you come back to your Photoshop again, or whichever device you are using. Make sure you use the right size. Click on new. Now we are not going to be using pixel. The pixel is 1200 by we choose on that slider 1200 by 500. So leave it on this 300 as a resolution. So you click on add new, you click on it. Then let's check what background do we really need to use. Now I'll take us back to a website. There's a particular area that's one place we download good and fantastic backgrounds. We call number one, we have Pixabay. Just click on Pixabay, and show us there. Then click on the first one, which is pixabay.com. Now these are one of the best places you can download high graphic image, very high graphic image. They are free, don't buy them. Very free images. So over on it, then you come here, you click, you search maybe related web design, enter. It will show you different images you can use for your website. Very sleek, very nice, very good. These are images, high graphic images, very nice, and they are free to download. What you just need to do is just first of all you sign up, or probably I already signed up. I wouldn't want to sign up again, but you come here, pick anyone you want to pick. Let's say stuff like this. Let's see stuff like this. Let's say scroll down. Let's see what we got. Stuff like this. Let's see stuff like this. Okay, let's download this first. We've gotten this. Okay, we've gotten this, and what you need to click download. Choose the resolution you want it. From there, you just choose say download. It will automatically download. You see that it's already downloaded. Now let's go to the next one. That's back to this next one. Let's view another one. What another one do we really need to download again? Let's see, let's download something like this. Click on downloads, no more download it. Download it again, let's go back again. Remember, we are talking of web design, so anything you are any area of web design you are doing, that is where you have to search the image. That's where you search the image. Yes, maybe stuff like this. Okay, this is stuff like this for websites. See, download. Check another one that is very good for that. Check something like this. Check something like that. Then Go back again. Let's download some few of them. Okay, maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. And download. So it all depends on the area or the area of web design you are on. If, for example, maybe something like digital marketing, you search for digital marketing, maybe for example of surgeon, you know, any area, mechanical, construction. So just come here and search for that particular area of it you are interested in. It will just show you numerous. Maybe for example you want to use maybe construction. You see that it will give you the exact image that fits in your search. See that? Very, very important. So that is that. So let's go back. I think we've downloaded some of them. Let's go back and see what we got here. Let's show it on the folder. Okay, we've seen this kind of it. Then okay, let's view by downloads. Let's sort by dates. Let us sort by dates. Sort by date for me, please. Alright, have 1, have 2, have 1, have 2, we have 3. And you see how other ones I've already done it before. So what we got? Maybe something like this. Something like this. So maybe other stuff like this. Then let's paste it. Let me add it to where we are. Our contents folder. Yes, that the image you might be using. Now let's go back to where we are designing. All right, where is our slider? This is our slider. So the next thing to do now is to upload it. Now to do that, you click on this main background image. You click, it was here, you click on it and you click on media. Once you click on media, it take you back to your media and you click on upload. But before we upload, let's quickly get some tweak. So once you come here, you click on file, place. Where are alright, first of all, let's use this one. We are using this one. Then you expand it. You expand it and come here. Let's darken it a bit. Okay, I think stuff like this is good so that the text will reflect. Let's save. Let's say slider 1. Let's put it on PNG or JPEG, whichever one is okay. Then after this, you go back again. Let's do for this one the same thing. Do that. Then let's make it something like this. Let's see, slider 2, slider 2. And let's go back to the next one. Slider 3. I love this. Slider 3. that. Then next one, let's see the last and on the list. Let's see this one. I'll say stuff like this. It's cool. And I don't like that. I don't like that image. I don't know. I don't like it. Let me change it. Stuff similar. Alright, another play where I also download free images unsplash.com. Once you just click unsplash.com, it's also another good place to download images. Then you come back here and search maybe web design. Okay, it's taking a while. I don't like this image. I don't like that. Yes, Unsplash is also another place where you download input images and all that. Okay, I think I'm seeing some good stuffs here. I'm seeing some good stuffs. Alright, I think I like this. I love that. Okay, let me do this.